It's my afternoon routine. If I'm here in the house, is to do the bike. You know, because it helps instead of running outside in the road. You know, so Nurse and I usually walk from the highway up to our house, but we stop it because sometimes the road is not enough. So I run 100 on this. It's easy to gain weight, but it's difficult to lose weight. And after that, I go on this. So back and forth. So somebody asked, why is it foreigner wanted slim Filipina? It's not really true. Although there are some, they preferred petite. But you know, if you love your Filipina, even she's slim or not, it's not just the body, but it's also the heart. But that's some of the questions that some Filipina ask, you know. Yeah, because that's what majority notice, that foreigner got slimmer or petite Filipina. So it's an exercise. The difficult part to get is the belly. It's the plank.